hello Ben, how are you doing on your last day here?
Hey Sonic, remember that you are not my boss. Ryan the Hero 14 is my boss. And why are all these people crying?
No, 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 no. You must not leave, because I still want my Kit Kat and Fodder please before the series ends. Or I will come knocking on your door.
Me too, if you leave, I will die because I won't get my regular supply of lemonade. What a sad day this is.
I don't want to leave, I just came in the series, I was not in the earlier episodes. I want to be in some more. It is nice here.
Seriously, it's not the end of the world, just a series. Knock knock Nick and Lord Taxi Rick, you go and make your show and stop crying you sons of bricks.
Have you seen your replacement yet Ben? That was planned for you. Have you thought of serving people yet?
You are not my boss Agent Sonic, no I have not seen him. And have you thought of selling extremely sharp houses?
Actually I have, I will go and sell some more, I will be back soon. And so will your replacement.
Oh goody. Back in a minute then.